Welcome back to week 6 of our adventure. Man, these weeks are just flying by like crazy. We've just gone for a wee wander from our campsite. This is our campsite for tonight. It is so stunning. We've got Murphy here. Good morning. It was an absolutely beautiful sunrise this morning. We are about to head off from Alice Beach to get our water tank fixed again. Not the same issue, but we've got a little bit of a leakage going on.
We also went and had a fly out to the island right out here. It was a 3.5k flight, but it was very pretty, so we'll roll on that footage now.
Woo! Oh, I really just don't know if I want to leave this place. It is so magical and just like, oh. Alrighty, we have got lunch box on the dash. We have sorted our tank out, so all the dripping and the leaking is sorted. And now we are on our way to hopefully a really stunning location, a camping location, but fingers crossed to that. So we decided to come to this little swimming hole with some big rock boulders, so just took a little bit of a detour. So we've just walked like 30 meters and it's gone to being super deep. Like,
It must be a big waterfall.
the drop is insane. And now we have come another 50 meters down the road, down the walkway, and there's just like little wee whirly pools down there, and so stunning, except 21 lives have been lost at this place. I'll show you a clip of why next. This is why.
No goes on. Do not go here.
Pause on here if you want to read a little bit more about it. It's so crazy though. So we are on the road again, and we totally forgot to film any of our campsite last night, but to be honest it was kind of just a bit of a meh campsite, so not much missed. But we are on our way to Milla Falls, and we're going to stay at the Milla Tourist Park up there, so just to have a night in like the rainforest area. And we are doing a juice cleanse for the next 3 days. We started this morning, had our first juice, but I don't know, so far we're a little bit cranky, but we'll see how that goes.
Got to the supermarket and we look like a couple of health freaks. And I'm absolutely starving, so this challenge is gonna suck.
Our fridge is absolutely full to the brim of fruit and veggie. So we've come into a pet store, and this wee fella's dancing. Well, he's gone camera shy now. Oh yes, nice to meet you. It is the Mighty Green Goodness juice. We have made it to a waterfall. I can't pronounce the name, so we will see what that looks like. we've gone round a bit of a waterfall circuit road. So we'll see what kind of waterfalls we get to. I guess it's a little bit of a replacement of not doing the road up to Cairns. Waterfall number 2 with Murphy.
Well, this is quite the slippery path, especially in the old forward drive shoes. So,
I look like I've got poo on my shoes with the colour of the skirt.
yeah. So hopefully none of us stack it.
Absolutely off-road driving. I am in my good old four-wheel drive boots. Okay, we've got to a bit of a better view from it. Joel is up here somewhere. Can't see him, but it's pretty cool, this one. Here we go, there's a better view. It's our little family. And we have made it to Milla Falls, and it's lots of people here. So this is our spot for tonight. It's literally like 2 o'clock or something like that. We're both about to have a shower because we're exhausted from not eating, and maybe just chill. Joel will do some work and relax for the afternoon.
Okay, so about our 3-day juicing plan, or fasting, whatever you want to call it, that was a terrible idea. We're 24 hours in, and I have decided to make some vegetable momos, which are like dumplings. Someone thinks it's my fault that she's quitting too, but she just wants dumplings as well. So, don't listen to any porky she tells you, she's a scammer. Good morning, we've just left our accommodation. Got someone on the dash. Bye bye. And we're just heading into Kmart to get her small kitty litter and anything else that is silly that I'm sure we will spend our money on. Turns out they actually don't have the litter that we want, which is just splendid. So now we're gonna go somewhere else. Tofu, aktong. Oh, the bag of poo litter.
Cat in the cup holder.
New campsite, just pulled up. Got the ball in the tent. Got the doggy on the lead.
In the beach.
On the beach. Beach is just here.
Joel jumped the gun on our unboxing video of our stainless steel fire pit that we're going to try out tonight. So it's just a little...
I can burn that.
Bruh. So it's just a little like case, almost like a briefcase thing that folds out to be a wee fire pit. And this is the final product out here. So this is the nicest it'll ever look. We have got fire with some wood that we've found and some coconut husks.
Fire, baby.
Yup. And yeah, we can't wait to cook on it tonight. We've just walked down to this inlet that's about, how far would it have been? 500 metres down the beach. And we've got Murphy with us, and Joel's just going for a flick. Jolie got another fishy. Jolie got another fishy.
And it's quacking.
Jolie's reeling them in now. Another one. Alright, he's off for another one. He's going to reel it really fast so only the big ones can get him. Too fast? Too fast. So we have been cooking food on the fire pit. This is what we've got. We've got slightly charred but not too bad potatoes and carrot. Joel cooked his steak on there, which looks pretty good if I ate meat. Then I've got my lentils and some kale. So we're going to plate it all up and it'll be delicious. Here we go, this is the final outcome. We've got my kale, stack of lentils and the veggies with Joel's as well.
Good morning. It's very windy this morning and we left the Osmo outside, which is this camera thingy. So yeah, we're a bit silly. And same with the tent last night, so we're lucky it didn't blow away, along with our chairs.
So we have made it to Mission Beach, but it's also quite underwhelming because, as you can see, there's a whole heap of like construction going on, building I guess a new town, new look to it all. And the beach is like just another beach, like it's beautiful, but we're not actually going to stay here because
it's a big dog.
Oh my god, it is a big dog. Because it's like $70 a night for a powered site, and he said that's like the cheapest you'd get in Mission Beach. First of all, we've got some very ripe looking bananas, but then they're like rock solid, some green ones, and then we go down to the biggest watermelon. Crazy. So I got us a dragon fruit smoothie and Joel just his plain old normal berry smoothie, and the ones on the dash saying hi to Dad.
We're back at the same campsite in Townsville. We had to get an unpowered site because the vet supercars are actually here this weekend, so we're going to go to that, which would be cool. Both pets are eating, but the only difference is last time we were paying $12.50 a night for a powered site. Now we've paid $46 for an unpowered site tonight. Go the supercars. Woo.
I have a cat as a boyfriend. Meet my cat boyfriend. And once again, I have had the privilege of not making dinner, and this is what Joel has made. Absolutely delicious.
You don't know that yet.
Oh, okay. Well, it looks absolutely delicious. Alrighty, so we have made the mission to go to the supercars racing today, and it is very, very expensive, but we're sort of like, oh, we've missed a whole heap. There's one in Noosa that we're gonna miss. There's one in like the Gold Coast or something that we're gonna miss, so we're gonna go to this one and see what it's like. And yeah, Jolly's excited. We have got in, and here is the track with a very nice safety car.
Yeah, to represent Australia as well.
Start comfortably, Jake Sandler-Lucia. Perfect launch from the outside of the front row.
Wheel hanging off the edge, gonna lift the front, drive it in all the way to the top. Guys and girls, let's get behind him. We're gonna send him upside down. What do you say? Shouting all that good stuff. We want to send it Jack's way right about now.
And out through this really fast left-hander, a quick change to the right, and everybody safely through the first handful of corners.
We have decided we're gonna upgrade.
We can get our own washing machine.
Yeah. This is probably the space that we have to walk around in. And
this is huge.
And then this goes like.
Get this pad cleaned up.
Work
Keep it
doesn't
clean for you
stop.
guys. We've got to keep it safe. Since you guys, they've let you guys come so close to the pad, we have to keep it clean.
How was today, Luce?
It was amazing and I'm cold.
She's cold, by the way, and it's like 20 degrees. Check out this drone show.
Good morning everyone. We have woken up a little bit earlier than we usually do. It is 8 o'clock and we are walking to the big market in Townsville that we saw last time we were here. We had an amazing day at the racing yesterday, but we're absolutely shattered at night.
Yeah.
So now we are having another big day, going to the market, and then we're going to go off to Magnetic Island. It's just my favourite sight in the morning, seeing a fruit and veggie shop. Look at them delicious pineapples. This is the market, and I got a wee shirt, a wee top. It's got stingrays on it. And we got some fruit and veggies, as per. So we have the Dubai styled mini pancakas. So we are on our way to Magnetic Island with this one, who has to be muzzled. We have got Murphy here on the boat, and alrighty, look at what we're in.
Yeah, piece of shit.
Hey now, we've got the top
This thing's great.
topless roof, Murph's chilling here, and we're about to head to another market. So I came prepared for lunch and made some vermicelli rolls that are all stuck together. And we are at the Maggie Island Brewery. Cheers, Julie.
A rum and coke and a gin and tonic.
Yeah, so much for the brewery. We have come to this really cute, like almost like beach club type vibe. Joel got us a delicious pizza and Murphy's just chilling. We have found this spot that is absolutely beautiful. I think we'll stay here for sunset because it is so stunning. Magical. It is a beautiful sunset.
And a beautiful puppy.
It is 9:30. Joel is serving up our dinner. We are both so smacked and tired, but we've had the best weekend. Honestly, it's been so good. It's work day tomorrow, so I guess we'll see for a wake up, and then it's a new week. It's a new week. I mean, it's an old week over, it's a new week beginning. Alrighty, so we're on our last day of the week. I'm just about to sit down and make the video, which I've been a bit slack on today because I've been so busy, but
Did a big grocery shop.
yep. So the van is a mess as per usual on Mondays, and Joel will show you my wee top that I got.
Oh yes.
So this is the front. Ignore the, oh no, it's not, it's gone. And the back.
Cute.
Thank you guys all so much for watching our week 6 video? Week 5 video. Oh, I can't even remember now. But anyway, thank you so much, and we will see you in the next week video.
Ciao.
For whatever we have to come next week. Woohoo!